Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these two INTPW 10-port hubs. Now, these are identical in design, but not in function. One of them is a 10-port USB 3.1 Gen 2 data hub. All 10 ports are for data connection, while the other one has 7 ports dedicated to data connection. 2 ports dedicated to standard fast charging, and then 1 port that is quick charge 3.0 charging. So we're going to unbox both of these, take a look at them, and I'll point out the differences so you can decide which one is better for you. Really just depends on your use case. One isn't better than the other in and of itself. It just depends on how you're going to use it and how you want to use it. So let's unbox first of all the 10-port USB 3.1 hub. So this is a 10-port. You do get the manual in here to tell you how to use it. You got your VIP warranty card, so you can register for warranty. And you got your hub. Let's take that off and take a quick close-up look at the hub itself. As you can see, very simple, very slender, doesn't take up a ton of space. Which is great. It's got that nice silver aluminum finish. Will look really nice sitting on your desk. Does have the rubber feet on the bottom so that it will stay put with where you put it, which is nice. On one side, you've got your USB 3.1 input. This is the port that you're going to connect from here to your computer. And on the other side, you've got your DC charging. This is a powered hub. So you will plug the DC charger into that, and then the other end into your power source to power the hub, and you have your little LED indicator there as well. 10 ports. Every one of these ports are 3.1 Gen 2 ports capable of 10 gigabits per second of data transfer to your computer. So that's the hub itself. And then we're going to pull this off, and you'll see they include in here INTPW, they're awesome. They don't include just one cord, they include 2 cords. So depending on whether you're connecting to, like if you're connecting to a Thunderbolt on, say, a MacBook, you've got your Type-C to USB-A to connect. And if you're connecting to a laptop or a PC or other computer that doesn't have the Type-C, that has the USB 3.1, then you can connect with Type A to Type A. So they include both of those cords in the box for you. And then you're also going to get, like I said, your power adapter, because this is a powered hub, which is great. So this will plug into your hub and you get the plug. So that is everything that comes in the box with that hub. Let's move this off to the side and pull that other one over here, and we'll take a quick look at it. Again, you've got your user manual that gives you all the information you need about the product. You got your warranty card, and then you have your hub. Now, this is going to be the main difference in this. I think everything else in the box is probably going to be the same. The main difference is the hub itself. You can see it's designed exactly the same, that same slender look, really beautiful aluminum finish. You've got the rubber feet on the bottom, but here you've got 7 of these USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, again, all capable of 10 gigabits per second of data transfer. Then you've got 2 INT power. These are fast charging ports. So if you want to plug a phone or a tablet or something into this, then you can get a fast charge through that. Then you have a certified quick charge 3.0 port. And that's awesome. If you have a phone that supports fast charging through Quick Charge 3.0, or a device, for example, I have a wireless charger that has it's a 3-in-1 for charging a phone, Apple Watch, and a earbuds, and it needs a quick charge charger. So I can plug that into this, have that on my desk, and being powered by this. So the great thing about these, because they have so many ports, you're able to not just connect for data, but also for power. It can eliminate the need of having an additional power-only hub on your desk, which is great. You do have that DC plug on one side, and then the input to connect to your computer on the other side. So really, really Beautiful, simple design. I just love it. And the big difference between the two is the other one has all 10 ports, data ports, and this one has 7 data ports, and then the 3 that are dedicated for charging. Other than that, everything else that comes in the box is going to be the same as on the other one. You get your 2 cords so that you can connect either to a Thunderbolt or Type-C that supports the right data rate, or you can connect to a Type-A that supports the data rate. So that's great. And then you also do get your plug here so that you can power it. So these are your 2 different types. Again, it's by INTPW. Each one has the 10 ports. One of them, this one has 3.1 data for all of them, and this one has the 7 for data, and then the 2 fast charging and 1 quick charge 3.0 port. And that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. I'm going to be doing a full review and demo of these hubs coming up, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.